This is going to be a raw video, guys, because I want to show you a step by step how you can get started with affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and basically it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate marketing commission. And today I want to show you how you can get results fast as humanly possible. But it's important for you to know that to succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to put in the work, you need to be persistent and not quit, because otherwise it's going to be difficult to succeed with this business model. So if you're watching this video, maybe you know that affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And basically what we're doing is that we can promote physical or digital products. And those companies gave us affiliate links. And when someone click the link and buy the product through that link, we can make an affiliate marketing commission. I'm going to put this document in the description if you want to download it. This is going to be a checklist that you can use it when if you want to start with affiliate marketing. So step number one is you need to choose a niche, and one of the best niches that you can choose are the make money online, the health and fitness, and relationship. You can see in the screen that these are some websites that you can visit to find products. So Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace, and here you can find products to promote. For example, if I click on all, you can see that we have products for arts, for betting systems, business and investment, e-business and e-marketing, fiction, games, green products. So we have many categories of products, and you can choose. For example, you can click here on top offers to see which are the offers that the affiliates are selling, and you can see this one, Live Pure. So if you want to promote this product, you only need to click here on promote, create hub link, and this is the link that you need to promote. And if someone buys the product through this link, you can make a commission. Basically, this is the sales page. So I'm going to copy this page and paste it here so you can see the page. So check this out. This page has already here my ID. And basically this product is a weight loss product. So people that want to achieve like their health and fitness goals, and if they click here, tap to play, they're going to watch the video. Watch the shocking video now. Yes, and then if they want to buy this product, they can do it. And if they buy, you can make a commission. So it's important for you to know that if you're going to promote something, you need to know that the product that you're promoting, it's going to give value to the people. So check this out. We have here another weight loss product, Alpilia. They pay $136 per sale. So the first one, they pay $148. That means for every sale you make, you can earn $148. Another example is JVSU. This is an affiliate marketplace as well. And we have Digistore. So these are similar websites. We have the categories, and you can choose whatever you want. For example, sports, or if you like personal development or languages, you can promote these products. For example, here this product pays $66. You need to click here, promote now, create a Digistore account, and you are going to be able to promote any product of these affiliate networks, which is a really awesome business model because you don't need to create your own product, buy inventory, or ship anything. You just need to send traffic to the affiliate link. But you need to do it the right way if you want to build an affiliate marketing business for the long term. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Step number two is choose a product. And here we have two types depending of the dependings of the amount of the commission that you can earn. So a low ticket product is a product that is going to pay you like very little commissions. For example, $5, $10, $50. And a high ticket product is when you make a commission of $500 or more. And I think that if you want to start with affiliate marketing, it's better to start with a high ticket product. Why? Because the same basically the same amount of time and work that you are going to do promoting basically any product. For example, if it's a low ticket or a high ticket, you are going to spend that same amount of time on the low ticket or the high ticket product. So write in the comments if you're willing to, for example, if you're willing to work like 2 or 3 hours per day to promote a product, how much money do you want to earn? $50 or $500? So if you promote high ticket products, you can make more money than if you promote the low ticket products. That's why I highly recommend to promote high ticket products if you are starting out. But if you want to test the waters, you can try the low ticket. But if you do the math, it's like better to use your time to promote a high ticket product because you are going to have a high return. Step number 3, build a personal brand around your own journey. So basically, this is like if you're going to promote something, you need to know that the product is going to give value to other people. And basically, you are documenting your own journey and talking about the product. For example, I'm going to show you, this is my TikTok account, and here I started to document my own journey when I started to promote a high ticket affiliate marketing training. So, and I started like day 1, day 2, day 3. Like today, I made zero money, and basically, you just start to document your journey, and those videos are going to attract an audience, and you are going to start getting subscribers. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, you are going to be able to put your link in the bio. And this is really powerful because all the people who want information more about the product that you're promoting, they're going to click here and they will go to your system, your 24/7 sales system. And if they buy, you can make a commission. That is why this strategy is powerful, because you are building your own audience, you are promoting something that you believe, and basically you are using that product and showing your own journey. So you can create a TikTok account, a YouTube account, an Instagram, and a Facebook account, and start creating content. And I know that if you are starting out, maybe it's like overwhelming to create content. That is why there is a strategy that you can use, which is the 5-second silent video method, in which you can create simple videos without talking. So let me show you this one. So here I'm just like typing in the keyword and I put music, focus on your goals. This video has 162 views. And this same video, I can upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. And if you want to start, this is a really cool way to start creating content, because it's not easy to start speaking to the camera, and I know the feeling. Okay, step number 4, create a 24/7 sales system. So basically, this is really important because all the people who are going to enter like your own world, you need to collect leads because that is going to help you have an affiliate marketing business for the long term. And a 24/7 sales system has these components: an opt-in page. So let me show you this one. I use this software, the name is ClickFunnels, and basically an opt-in page is for collecting emails. It has, I'm going to click here on edit page, so you can see it's a simple page in which you are telling people that if you want access to this free gift, like an ebook or a course, you can put like your best information, your name and your email, and I'm going to send this free gift to your email. And that is like the best way to build your own email list. So check this out. The opt-in page has a title, a button. When people click this button, free ebook download, this pop-up appears and I can collect a name and an email address. And if they want, they can put their phone number. But here, the most important thing is the email, because we can send valuable information and our affiliate links or affiliate offers through email marketing. Okay, it has information, a picture of the ebook that I'm going to send to the people, and it has my own photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. So when people put their information, they will go to the next page in which I tell them that I'm going to send the ebook through the email. And then when they click the second button, they will go to the bridge page. So this page is really important because it has a video in which I'm explaining the product and the next steps they need to do if they want to get access to the training. In this case, I'm promoting a high ticket product, the Freedom Accelerator program, through a challenge, which is the 72-hour challenge. And here I'm telling people that if they want to get access to the training, they need to click on this button, get started today. And when they click that button, they will go to my affiliate offer. And if they buy, I can make a commission. Basically, the products that I'm promoting are the 72-hour challenge. These cost $9 and Freedom Accelerator. And basically, to promote a high ticket product, it's better to do it through a challenge. So let me show you. So this is my affiliate dashboard for the 72-hour challenge. And when people put their information in this opt-in page, that people will be hard-coded to my affiliate ID. In this case, you can see that I have sent to the company 101 referrals and I have 13 customers. These are the unpaid earnings. And if these people buy in the future, if they buy the 72-hour challenge or if they buy the upsells, so the upsells, let me show you the upsells, are this training, how to get 1,000 TikTok followers, proven viral shorts, and a done for you system that this company can build. This company can build the whole 24/7 sales system. If the person don't want to build their own system, they can buy it. So these are the upsells. And as an affiliate, you can earn if the person want these upgrades or if they buy the Freedom Accelerator training, which is the high ticket course. So in this case, this company pays 30% commission for every sale. If someone buys the 72-hour challenge, it's going to be 35% of $9. Okay. So What I like about this system is that basically you are like referring people and they have their own sales system. So you just need to send the referrals, and if they buy the 72-hour challenge, the company has their own sales system that is going to help the customer or the prospect how to go through the whole system. So they have this support that is going to be like, so is very personalized to the customer. Okay, then the other component is the email sequence. Basically, when someone put their information in this opt-in page, ClickFunnels is going to send the email to another software. The name is GetResponse. And then this software is going to send these emails automatically to give valuable information. I'm going to click on this one. And inside of those emails, people are going to find my affiliate links and more information about the things that I'm promoting. For example, in this case is products to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch using the 5-second silent method. So the first emails that GetResponse is going to send, as you can see, so the first one is a welcome message, which is my own story, and then is another welcome message in which I have a free training and a link to download the ebook. The second message, which GetResponse is going to send, so GetResponse is going to wait for 1 day and is going to send this the 3-second training, which is a secret strategy to start affiliate marketing. Then it's going to wait for 1 day and it's going to send the third free training, which are free traffic strategies for affiliate marketing. And as you can see, I have all of these emails that I have set up, and GetResponse is sending automatically. That's why this system is important, because you just need to build this system once and then just work on the traffic side, like creating content or paying ads. So I'm going to go here. Step number 5 is create content on social media. So this is the best way to start, because when you start creating content, you are going to improve over time. And here there are some recommendations. For example, if you can, it's better to create content in your own language, because when I started, I started to create content on English and I struggled a lot. And that's why I have right now my own Spanish YouTube channel. But the most important here is to be consistent, which is step number 6, the compound effect. So the compound effect is when you start something, maybe you are not going to have results, and that is why you need to be persistent at creating content every day, because that is like the only way to create your own channels, create your own TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And you're going to see that if you do it every day, it's going to become easier. So that is the step number 6. So if you want to get access to the 5-second silent method, this training, the 72-hour challenge, which is going to help you how to create content by recording videos between 5 and 15 seconds, which is a powerful way to attract more clients, to grow your social media because of the short form videos. You can click the first link in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you soon. God bless, and bye.